have mouths on them.
Your ear's all red.
My hair's done.
It's all red. There's a lot. Molly says she can't see. She took a bad wave whack. She can't see. And her bathing suit fell off.
Some kid came over and asked if I had sunscreen.
If you had sex,
Sunscreen.
how old was it? Say no, babe, but do you have any?
What happened? Yeah, what happened?
Some guy came over and asked her if she had sex.
Ha! No, if I had sunscreen.
And Annie said,
No. Was
but,
he cute?
but my ear,
Was he cute?
but I have a...
Was he old?
Where does God's beloved son come into that?
He doesn't.
Where's your rosary bracelet?
I only wear that on occasions where I feel I'm tempted to do things.
My child should never feel tempted to do things. You were immaculately conceived, you know.
Okay, Natty eyes.
What'd she say?
Natty eyes. No, you freaking psycho. My tit hanging out, my ass crack.
Your grandmother's going to see this.
She's not.
Yes, she is.
Your grandmother's gonna... Stop it. Stop!
I'm not filming.
Okay.
I'm filming Andy because it's like they spell it.
Ow! I didn't finish it. You're such a liar. You're thinking about... Hairy armpit. Stop!
I have hairy armpit.
Let me see, Mom. Ew! Put your arms down.
Why'd you grab my leg?
You're such a pathological liar. Get the freaking camera out of
What's your
her
language?
face.
I'm telling you, your grandmother's going to
Whatever, I
see
don't
it.
care. Let her.
Ooh, I have it on film now.
Oh, what grandmom?
Nana, can
That's okay.
You better be prepared to run, girl.
Get the camera out of me. Mom!
It's not in you. You're not the...
Hey, sexy lifeguard. Do you want to rub some suntan lotion all over my body?
It's like including those pimples that I saw when you were surfing.
Don't talk to me, that's the trip. Oh, shut up.
Relaxing time at the beach.